Welcome to another session. In this session, we are doing VSIQs of chapter circle. Now, the first question is find the center and radius of the given circle. We have to find center and radius of this given circle. First, write down the given circle. Circle generally denoted by S, that is given circle. Compare the given circle with the general form, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Now value of 2g equals to means x coefficient 6, value of 2f equals to, that is y coefficient 8, and value of constant c is minus 96. G equals to 2 1s are 2 3s are, f equals to 2 1s are 2 4s are. Center of general form is minus g comma minus f. So g is 3, then minus g is minus 3, f is 4, then minus f is minus 4. So center minus g minus f is minus 3 comma minus 4. Now we have to find radius. Radius denoted by r, formula is root over g square plus f square minus c. So this is the values of g and f. 3 square plus 4 square minus of minus plus c is 96. 3 square 9, 4 square 16 plus 96. 9 plus 16 plus 96, that is root 121, and we know that root 121 is 11. So given circle, its center is minus g minus f minus 3 comma minus 4, and radius is r equals to under root g square plus f square minus c 11. Okay. Yes, write down. Now second question is find the center and radius of x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. Write down the given circle. Compare with the general form, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. 2g equals to minus 4, 2f equals to 6, and c equals to minus 12. 2g means x coefficient, that is minus 4, 2f means y coefficient, that is 6, c means constant, minus 12. Then g equals to 2 1s are 2 2s are, f equals to 2 1s are 2 3s are. Center is minus g comma minus f. So g is minus 2, then minus g is plus 2, f is 3, then minus f is minus 3. So minus g minus f is 2 comma minus 3. Radius r equals to root over g square plus f square minus c. G means 2 square, f means 3 square, minus c means minus 12. So minus of minus plus 12. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, plus 12 is root 25, and square root of 25 equals to 5. Therefore, center minus g comma minus f is 2 comma minus 3, and radius r equals to 5. Got it? Write down. Now the next question is find center and radius of x square plus y square plus 2ax minus 2by plus b square equals to 0. Write the given circle S. Compare with the general form, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Now value of 2g equals to 2a, value of 2f equals to minus 2b, and value of c equals to b square. 2g means x coefficient, that is 2a, 2f means y coefficient, that is minus 2b, and c means constant b square. Then value of g equals to 2 get cancel a, value of f equals to 2 get cancel minus b. We know that center is minus g comma minus f. So g is a, then minus g is minus a, f is minus b, then minus f is plus b. So center minus g comma minus f is minus a comma b. Radius r equals to root over g square plus f square minus c. So g means a square, f means b plus b square minus c means b square. So plus b square minus b square get cancel, root over a square. Therefore r equals to root over a square, square root cancel a. center minus g comma minus f is minus a comma b and radius r equals to a. Got it? Right now. Now next question is 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. We have to find center and radius. Given circle S is 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. Compare with the general form, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. But here general form 1x square 1y square is there, but given circle 3x square 3y square is there. For making as general equation, divide the given equation by 3. If you divide by 3, the given equation becomes x square plus y square. 6 by 3 is minus 2x. This 4 by 3 y as it is, minus 4 by 3 equals to 0. If you divide by 3, 3 cancel, x square, 3 cancel, y square. 6 by 3 is minus 2x. Plus 4y by 3 is 4y by 3, minus 4 by 3 equals to 0. Now 2g equals to 2f equals to and c equals to. 2g means x coefficient, that is minus 2. 2f means y coefficient, that is 4 by 3. C means constant, minus 4 by 3. Then g equals to, both side 2 cancel, minus 1. F equals to 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is 2 by 3. We know that center minus g comma minus f minus g value is minus 1, then minus g is plus 1, f value is 2 by 3, then minus f is minus 2 by 3. Therefore center minus g comma minus f is 1 comma minus 2 by 3. Next we have to find radius. Formula is root over g square plus f square minus c. G means 1 square, f means 2 by 3 whole square, minus c means minus 4 by 3. So minus of minus plus 4 by 3. So this is 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 plus 4 by 3. We can write by 1. LCM of 193 is 9. 1 9s are 9. So multiply with 9. 9 1s are 9. Multiply with 1. 3 3s are 9. So multiply with 3. So 4 3s are 12. That is root 25 by 9 is 5 by 3. Therefore, center of the given circle is minus g comma minus f is 1 comma minus 2 by 3 and radius r equals to 5 by 3. Got it? Right now. Now fifth question is root over 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy equals to 0. Again we have to find center and radius. First write down the given circle. Compare with the general equation, that is 1x square plus 1y square. Here x square y square coefficient is other than 1 is there. For making 1, divide the whole equation by root over 1 plus m square. After dividing by root over 1 plus m square, the given equation becomes x square plus y square minus 2c by root over 1 plus m square x minus 2mc by root over 1 plus m square y equals to 0. Root over 1 plus m square divided by root over 1 plus m square get cancel. X square plus y square minus 2cx by root over 1 plus m square minus 2mcy by root over 1 plus m square. Now this is in the form of general equation. Now 2g value. So this is the value of 2g, this is the value of 2f. We know that center is minus g comma minus f. So minus is there, so we need minus, so minus of minus plus. This is the value of 2g, then g equals to c by root over 1 plus m square. And this is the value of 2f, then f equals to minus of minus plus mc by root over 1 plus m square. Okay, this is 2g, minus is there, so plus g equals to 2 get cancel, 1c by root over 1 plus m square. This is 2f, minus is there, plus 2f, we need 1f, so 2 get cancel, mc by root over 1 plus m square. r equals to root over g square plus f square minus c. That is, g means c by root over 1 plus m square whole square. So c square root cancel 1 plus m square. F square means m square, c square root over 1 plus m square whole square, root square cancel 1 plus m square. From these two we can take c square by 1 plus m square common. So if you take c square by 1 plus m square common, still 1 is there. Again, if you take c square by 1 plus m square, one more m square is there, root over. So this 1 plus m square get cancelled. So r equals to root c square, or r equals to c. Okay. So this is the value of 2g. So 1g is 2 get cancelled, c by root over 1 plus m square. This is the value of 2f. So minus f means minus is there, plus 2f. So 1f cancel, 2 cancel, mc by root over 1 plus m square. Write down. Now sixth question is, if x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c equals to 0 represents a circle with radius 6, find the value of c. Given circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c equals to 0, if you compare with the general form, value of 2g equals to minus 4, that is x coefficient, value of 2f equals to 6, y coefficient, and c itself. Then g equals to minus 2, f equals to 3, center minus g comma minus f, g is minus 2, minus g is plus 2, f is 3, minus f is minus 3. We know that radius formula is root over g square plus f square minus c is given 6 units. G is 2, 2 2s are 4, f is 3, 3 3s are 9, minus c equals to 6. Now squaring on both sides, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 minus c equals to 36, then c equals to 13 minus 36, that is minus 23. Center of the given circle minus g minus f is 2 comma minus 3, radius is 6 given, and formula of radius g square plus f square minus c. G means 2 2s are 4, f means 3 3s are f square is 9, minus c equals to 6. A root is there, squaring on both sides, 4 plus 9, 13 minus c, 6 square is 36. Now make c as a subject, c equals to 13 minus 36 is minus 23. Got it? Write down. Now seventh question is, if x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equals to 0 is a circle with center 2 comma 3, then find the value of g comma f and its radius. First write down the given circle, that is s equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equals to 0. We know that center formula is, this is like general form, so center is minus g comma minus f, but given center is 2 comma 3. Formula of center is minus g minus f, given is 2 comma 3. So g value is, minus g value is 2, minus f value is 3. We need to find g comma f, that is minus g is 2, then g equals to minus 2, minus f equals to 3, then f equals to minus 3. Next, we have to find radius, and formula of radius is g square plus f square minus c. G is 2 square 4, f is 3 square 9, minus c is given minus 12, so plus 12. So root 25, so r equals to 5. Got it? Write down.